And the method we use for finding, for scale drawing is step 1, we choose a scale. All right. Step 2, you draw the first vector. Step 3, you draw the second vector from the tip of the first vector. Step 4, you draw the resultant vector from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last vector. Then you measure the length of that vector and you convert using scale. All right. So let's look at an example. It says 2 forces act on an object. F1 is 40 Newton east and F2 is 30 Newton north. So first step, we choose a scale. So we're using a scale of 1 cm to 10 Newton. So it means that 40 Newton will be written as 4 Newton. So that means that I will divide 40 by 10, becomes 4. Then 30 Newton becomes 3. So we divide 30 by 10, we have 3. So this is how you use scale to reduce the large numbers. Okay. So our next step is step 2. So we draw the first vector. So 4 Newton is the first vector and it's going east. So you take your ruler and pencil, you measure 4 Newton or 4 centimeters with your ruler. So measure 4 centimeters due north. That's good. Then step 3, we draw the second vector from the tip of the first vector. So put your pencil at the tip of the first vector and draw the line up to 3 centimeters. Okay. All right. So what next? Our next step 4 is to draw the resultant from the start to finish. So put your ruler at the tail of the first vector and draw the line to the tip of the last vector. Good. So that's good. This is called a vector diagram. Okay. Now we measure the resultant. Now the resultant is the line that you draw from the tip of the first to the from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last vector. That line is your resultant. So take your ruler and measure that line. Measure the line from the tip, from the tail of the last of the first vector. Measure the line from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last vector. You should get approximately 5 centimeters. With 5 centimeters. Okay. If you have 4.5, no problem. So we have 5 centimeters. What next? Remember, we use 1 cm to 10 Newton. So we multiply this 5 cm by 10. So we have 10, we have what? 50 Newton. So our resultant is 50 Newtons. Okay. So to get the direction, now remember, vectors as what? A magnitude and direction. So this 50 Newton is the magnitude. To find the direction, you put your compass at the end of the put your compass at the end of the resultant vector and measure from right to left. All right, this line right there, that is your direction. So that should be, the direction should be 36.9 degrees north of east.